Welcome back to Native Speaker e-learning. A useful phrasal verb is avail of. It can be used in exam essays like the Cambridge First Certificate, Cambridge Advanced or Cambridge Proficiency, but also IELTS. We often use it because we want to describe getting the chance to do something. Let's have a look at some examples. This is how we could build a sentence. Let's have a look at a few examples before we go into it in detail. The needy are unable to avail of the opportunity to send their children to school. I decided to avail of the possibility to travel and broaden my skills. We wanted to avail of the chance to improve our level of English. Many can no longer avail of the option to attend third level education. There are those who would like to avail of the offer of a scholarship, and there are some who wish to avail of the opportunity to attend university, and there are many who will be unable to avail of the chance to get free health care. Now let's have a look at all of these here. Here we've used the phrase the needy, which is another word for the poor or the less well off, and the verb phrases we're using here in this one are unable to, which means they can't. Okay, this here is another phrase for can't. Here, avail of means be able to get or be able to use. And this phrase, avail of, works very well with these phrases: the opportunity to, the possibility to, the chance to, and the option to. Also, you can use the offer of, but these won't. This one is usually followed just by a noun, so there won't be an infinitive verb after the offer of. And again, we've repeated the opportunity to and the chance to here. These phrases, the opportunity to, the possibility to, the chance to, and the option to, will be followed by an infinitive verb: send, travel, improve, example, etc. And then we can have a subject and a complement over here. So, the needy are unable to avail of the opportunity to send their children to school. So it means they can't take this chance, they can't take this opportunity, they can't get it. I decided to avail of the possibility to travel and broaden my skills base. So maybe your life changed and you were free and you were able to go abroad and learn new skills. So you could say, I decided to avail of the possibility to travel and broaden my skills base. This means learn more things, learn more skills, how to do more things. Next one, we wanted to avail of the chance to improve our level of English. Here you're talking about a group of people, obviously, with we, and you got this chance or possibility or opportunity and you wanted to use it. So you use the chance to improve your level of English. Many can no longer avail of the option to attend third level education. Here you'll see many, and sometimes my students think, oh, you forgot a word like many people, many students. No, sometimes the word many in a mature style of writing and speaking can just mean many people. So consider that for the future. When you're in an essay situation, you might be under pressure to keep repeating many people, many students all the time. And that's fine, but try and not repeat it all the time. So many is another option for you, and it means many students, many people. So if you've already used a noun like students or people, then consider using just many on its own. And here, can no longer avail of the option to attend third level education. Can no longer, well, we know now that no longer means it was possible in the past, but it's not possible now or in the future. So many can no longer avail of the option to attend third level education. Third level education, of course, means university or institute of technology or something like that. Next one, there are those who, there are some who, there are many who. This means people. That's just what it means, people. So it's just another option for you. There are those who and there are some who mean exactly the same. This one here is slightly greater percentage. There are many who. Okay, so these 1, 2, 3, 4 words actually mean some people. Okay, so you can replace this with the phrase some people, but there are 4 words. So there are those who would like to avail of the offer of a scholarship. So here we see the offer of is best followed by a noun. No verb after the offer of, just go straight to the noun. There are some who wish to avail of the opportunity to attend university. And there are many who will be unable to. That means can't in the future. Can't in the future, will be unable to. And it's quite formal. Nice phrase to use. Will be unable to avail of the chance to get free health care. Health care is when you have access to doctors, medicine and hospital. So avail of is a really nice phrasal verb, and we use it when you need to be able to get something. So it's great for discussing social issues or opportunities and things like that. And this often comes up in Cambridge and IELTS exams. It's, of course, many of you will recognize it as being familiar, and it is a cousin of the adjective available, which many students know, but most students tend to be unaware of its existence as a phrasal verb as well. So it's avail of, and these phrases, the opportunity to, the possibility to, and the chance to, followed by an infinitive verb. If you use the offer of, then skip the verb and go straight to the noun. That's my advice to you. Okay, so the best thing for you to do now is get out your ruler, draw out a few lines, columns and rows, and start practicing this. And then visualize a situation where you could use this in an exam, or of course in real life at university or at work in your office. Okay, that's all from me. The very best of luck, and we'll see you next time.